Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at KTALnews.com and your Weather Authority app. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your Thursday morning forecast update. We actually do have a cold front coming in today, so for many of us, it is going to be a warm day, but the northern Arklatex, you'll have temperatures that fall into the 60s. Could see some spotty rain showers today, but I think the most comfortable change for us, the north breeze coming in behind this cold front will push the humidity out. You'll feel some of that muggy air this morning, but throughout the day we'll feel just kind of a steady humidity drop. So even if you do reach 80 degrees, that 80-degree temperature today, feeling much nicer than the 80-degree humid temperatures that we had earlier this week. So the cold front now moving in north of I-30. We're not likely to see much rain with this front today, but it is going to keep the clouds kind of stirred up. And the clouds did break enough overnight that the temperatures cooled off nicely. And because of those cooler temperatures and the wet ground from some of the rain this week, visibility has dropped to 5 miles or less in most locations, so we do have some patchy to dense fog just about all corners of the Arklatex here, and we'll typically see that fog around until about 8:30 or 9 o'clock in the morning. Right now our temperatures in the 60s for the most part. It's not going to be a big warm up for folks in the northern Arklatex today, but just kind of refreshing after the warm and humid pattern that we've had this week. At 68, feeling great in DeQueen, 77 in Texarkana, the 80 in Shreveport will be followed by that humidity dropping off this afternoon. So I think pretty decent day for us, and not likely to see much rain here, but Futurecast is showing just a few little showers popping up along the front maybe this afternoon, and should pull up in enough dry air that we see the fog go away quickly and the clouds should break. So there will be times today where it's partly cloudy, but likely a mostly cloudy day as well. And the front will stay stalled out here across the very south end of the Arklatex tonight. So south wind coming up from the coastline over that front will likely trigger some additional showers tonight, and then that front will basically stall across the Arklatex again tomorrow. So there is a slightly higher chance that we'll see some showers, especially in the northern Arklatex Friday, and a lot of cloud cover out there as well, which is going to hold those temperatures down Friday, as tomorrow we'll see those highs drop into the 50s as well as the 60s in most locations, and then we'll warm it right back up as we hit the weekend here. We're back into the 70s on Saturday. Just slight chance of a few spotty showers to begin the weekend, but for your outdoor plans, looking dry most of the weekend. Into the 80s on Sunday, and there's a pretty strong storm system that will be moving in Sunday night, Monday morning. There is expected to be some severe weather to the west of the Arklatex. Right now it looks like maybe we could see some wind with some of the storms coming in. This would be well after sunset Sunday into early Monday morning, so still a long ways out, so we don't have the finer details yet, but still kind of watching that. Maybe a few strong storms Sunday night, Monday morning. Get a couple of dry and warm days next week, but it looks like we'll close out next week, maybe next Thursday and Friday, with a chance of rain and some cooler temperatures to end next week as well.